Hey friends, today I will be giving you a quick home tour. I have decorated it for early spring with a few Valentine's decor touches throughout. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today's tour will just be to music. However, I have many DIY decor pieces throughout my home, so I will have those linked down in the description box below. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments, and let's continue the tour.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body is giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. All I do is close my eyes. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Ooh, and I still wonder where you are. Ooh, if you found a way out, come seek me out.
I don't belong in the desert. I've never longed for someone's hand. But when you came straight from nowhere, 1 minute I was over that. We saw the world from the same perspective, though I was there to breathe again. And I went straight for what you wanted, through the desert there and back again. Whenever you need my guidance, whenever I can hold you still, then all we know is when we get there, through anything and back again. And if you knew the way you get me, whatever we were born to do, then all we know is when we get there, the desert won't be anything. I don't have plans for the future, but now I know that you'll be there.
If you are looking for some more decor inspiration, check out my home tour from last spring here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a blessed day.